How you doing, folks? Welcome back. In this particular product demonstration, I want to show you the washing machine made from Maine. Yeah, you heard me right, the washing machine from Maine. This is an Indesit Innex machine. It has a big blue button for Maine. When your wife loads the machine the night before and sends you down and says switch on the washing machine, all you do is press the blue button for 2 seconds. The machine will come on, do a 30-degree wash, a 1200 spin in 50 minutes. It's your daily wash, but we like to call it the man button. It has the highest energy rating available for a washing machine. Massive drum. This particular model is a 9 kilo, the 1400 spin, and a big range of fast washes to get your clothes quicker, cleaner, quicker, faster. And remember, at Expert Leash, we won't be beaten on service and price.